Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our chapter Food and Health. So, why do we need food? We need food to get energy, to do work, for our growth and development, and to stay healthy and strong. So, for all these purposes, we need food. Now, what should we do to stay healthy? What our body needs? So, our body needs balanced diet, regular exercise, enough of rest, fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, and protection from diseases to stay healthy. So, all these are the measures of good health. That we should eat balanced diet, we should do regular exercise, we should have proper rest, we should breathe in fresh air, we should drink proper clean water, and we should get ourselves protected from diseases. Now, what do we term as balanced diet? Balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water. Now, carbohydrates gives us energy, and itself it is obtained from cereals, pulses, wheat. It makes a large portion of our diet. Proteins are helpful for our growth and maintenance of the body, and we get it from milk, egg, meat, and pulses. Fats gives us more energy than that of carbohydrates, and is obtained from butter, oil, ghee, means all the fatty things. Vitamins are very important for us, and these boost up our immunity. Immunity means, yes, the capability of the body to fight against diseases. बीमारियों से लड़ने की हिम्मत. So that is provided by vitamins. Vitamins we get from fruits and vegetables. The next is minerals. Minerals are also necessary for the growth and maintenance of our body, and we get it from fresh fruits and vegetables. Roughage is another important part of our diet. It is helpful for good bowel movements, and we obtain it from fruits and vegetables. Like the peels of fruits and vegetables, they act as roughage. Then the last but not the least, yes, the water. It is again very much important for us because 70% of our blood is water. So it is very much helpful in circulation of blood. So these are the main constituents of a balanced diet. Now next is benefits of exercise. Like we have done before, that to have a good health, we should have a balanced diet, and we should do proper exercise. Then what are the benefits of exercise? It keeps our body fit and active. It helps in proper circulation of blood. It gives more supply to brain, thus helps in proper functioning of our nervous system. If we do exercise in open area, that is in playgrounds and parks, it provides us fresh air, which is good for our lungs. Now student, last is, when do we say that we are healthy, or what is health? Health not only relates to physical fitness but also to mental, social and emotional well-being. Means a person is said to be healthy if he is mentally strong, also means he doesn't have any tension. He is socially strong, that is, he has a number of friends around him. He doesn't have any person around him who talk bad about that one. And the person should be emotionally strong also. Now, to attain this good health, we need regular exercise, enough of sleep and rest, along with a balanced diet. So students, sleep and rest are also a part of our daily routine. We should have enough of sleep and rest also, so as to make ourselves healthy. So students, I hope that This video helps you a lot in revising the chapter. So thank you students. Have a nice day.